Hi guys, so today we're making Faluda Save. This is a super easy recipe and it hardly takes any time to make, and it works amazingly well with kulfis and matka kulfis. You can pre-make this and it works very well. So let's begin. So first things first, I'm going to prepare a little bit of things. So I'm going to prepare my chakli maker by greasing it. So I'm going to grease it really well so that our sticky batter does not stick. And this is the attachment that we're going to be using. I'm also going to grease it really well, and I'm also going to grease the top. The next thing that you need to prepare is an ice bath. So you need cold water and ice cubes and put it in the fridge. That's all you need to do, but then this is very important. So ensure that you prepare this beforehand. After that, in a non-stick pan, I'm going to take half a cup of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar, but ensure that you don't make it too sugary. After that, I'm also gonna take 1.5 cup of water, and I'm gonna gradually add water so that there are no lumps in our corn flour. Now on the gas, I'm going to put the pot on full flame or high flame till one boil, and then I'm going to put it on medium flame and cook it through. Now ensure that you keep on mixing it so that there are no lumps. This is hardly going to take any time. It's just going to go on thickening, and we have to cook it until it's nice and jelly like and translucent. Just stir it around continuously and you'll have a lovely lump free batter. So ensure that you cook it through, because if you don't cook it properly, then your noodles aren't going to form and they're going to be very soft and very hard to work around with. So this is how your batter should look like. It should be nice and translucent. After that, immediately when it's hot, I'm going to put in the batter into my chakli maker. Ensure that you do not put it out to rest. We want the batter hot. Now you can also use a plastic bottle with a little hole on top, but then ensure that you use good quality plastic because the mixture tends to be really hot. Now I'm going to use a kitchen towel because it's really hot. I'm going to put the lid on, and you just need to roll out the top gradually to get the lovely noodles out. So now I'm going to take out the noodles in our ice bath, and I'm going to let them be for some time so that they're well formed. If you feel that your water is not cold enough, you can add more ice, but then you have to ensure that it's very cold. Now the shelf life of these noodles is around a week. They can stay in your fridge in cold water for nicely 1 week. And this video that I'm going to show you now is after a week. I used these noodles for a week. Look, they're still very lovely and nothing has happened to them. Thanks for watching.
I never made it, but I know I